Howdy y'all, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Pioneer 6-disc CD player to show you. The model number is PD-M40. But before we get into it, did you know that the diameter of a CD is 120 millimeters? If you didn't know that, now you do. But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your line audio output for standard audio, and then your control input and output right here. And this particular one was manufactured all the way back in February of 1988. So this thing definitely did stand the test of time. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the back, and then you'll connect your power cord too. And it comes with this cartridge that you just slide the trays open and insert a CD. It can fit up to 6 discs. But once you have them all in there, you can go ahead and slide the tray in and power it up and begin playback. And it does feature a remoteless design, so you don't need to have a remote with it, and it doesn't come with one or the remote sensor. There's nothing on it, so you can't use a remote with it. But on the front panel, you have your power button right here. And then right here is an eject button. Your search buttons are right here, random play. And then track skip is right here. You have your disc select buttons here, pause, play, and stop. You can adjust how the time is displayed with the time button. You have the repeat option so that you can continuously play music. And then you have program play. And this does feature a Honeycomb Chassis, which I'll show you what that means in a moment. It has system remote controls so that you can connect to a system, and 32-step random access program. So for the Honeycomb Chassis, what it's referring to is on the bottom it has a honeycomb design, which I don't believe it really makes a difference for the functionality, but maybe it does. And something else that's nice is it's really slim. You can fit it into more spaces. It's less than 4 inches tall. And something else, you can keep a few extra cartridges handy, and you can load them up with certain genres, artists, or however it is that you want to organize them and quickly switch up your music. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.